Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you how to install Modpacks in one click. A lot of Minecraft players want to play with Modpacks, but the only problem up until now is that installing Modpacks can be quite confusing on servers. Well, with Server.pro's new feature, you can easily install Modpacks. All you have to do is head into your service and then into your server. What you have to do is press type and scroll down on whether you want a CurseForge, Modrent or FTP type of modpack. I'm gonna go ahead and use Modrent as it has my favorite modpacks. Then all you have to do is scroll down and then you'll see all types of modpacks you can install. If you click on the icons above here, you can see what version they're updated to as well as the date it was last updated. Well, I really want to install the latest Cobble mod, so I'll be pressing install latest. On this screen, you should leave the Java version as latest, and we always also recommend pressing delete file so no errors occur during the installation. If you have a world you want to keep, don't take that option. However, it's important to keep in mind that it may not load modded items in the chunks of the world you have already loaded in. After pressing install latest, it'll take a little bit for everything to get set up as the server is setting up the version and loader to the correct type. I've now waited a little bit so everything gets set up and I can see it says done in the console. Now I'm going to be joining my server to ensure everything is set up correctly. You'll of course need to start up your game with the same modpack you've installed on your server. In my example, I've downloaded the Modrent app and I'll be pressing play on the Cobble mod modpack. Now I've pasted in my server IP and I'll be heading in to see if I connect. After a couple seconds of loading, I can see that I'm loaded in and I can see modded items everywhere. It's been super easy to install. Thank you so much for watching. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to contact our support. Bye guys!